Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Suzuki Vitara 22 reg, hybrid, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, rear camera, opening panoramic roof, diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting, keyless entry, half leather seats with airbags, panoramic roof, locking wheel nut, handbooks in there, height adjustable passenger seat, Isofix rear seats, electric rear windows, inflation kit in there, electric folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, height adjustable driver's seat, eco mode, lane departure warning, parking sensor you can turn off, traction control, keyless start as well. USB in there, power outlet. To start the vehicle, put your foot on the brake and you push this button here and the vehicle starts. I'll show you how this works. That tilts, you can have it tilted. So the whole roof opens up. Very clever. Illuminated vanity mirrors, both sides, sunglasses case, reversing camera, air conditioning, cruise control speed limiter. The vehicle's done 29,799 miles. Obviously have your phone, sat nav, back to home, DAB radio, phone,
please say a command,
voice activation, cancel that.
Ending speech recognition.
This is your SD card for your mapping. This is for your phone.
Please say ending speech recognition.
Quite loud, isn't it? You can control the volume from here. Tiptronic when you're driving manually. This controls your distance to the vehicle in front, as you can see there. This button here changes the radio, what you want up there basically. Lane departure warning, it's your telephone buttons, voice activation, so you can do everything from the screen if you wish. Change this here. This button here changes this menu, what you have really. Turn the vehicle off, you push this button here, push that button there, turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you get any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call.